Hi Filipino learners! My name is JC. Kumusta kayo? In this video, I will teach you how to use adjectives in Filipino. Let's get started. Pang-uri or adjectives are words that describes or modifies a noun. Now in Filipino, if an adjective is qualitative like beautiful, smart, blue, strong, happy, you can place the adjective before or after the noun it modifies. Let me show you how with a few examples. Rich kid in Filipino can be mayamang bata. Here, the adjective is placed before the noun. Or it can be batang mayaman, where the adjective is placed after the noun. Beautiful house can be magandang bahay. Again, the adjective placed before the noun. Or bahay na maganda. Adjective placed after the noun. Red skirt can be pulang palda or paldang pula. Sweet fruit can be matamis na prutas or prutas na matamis. Both ways are correct. It's a matter of preference. There's something here to take note of. Let's take a closer look at this example. On the first one, as you can see, we have added ng at the ending of the first word. While on the second one, we have added the word na after the first word. These are what we call ligatures, and we use them to connect the adjective to the noun it modifies. Okay, so if the first word, whether it's the noun or the adjective, ends with a vowel, in this case, maganda ends with letter A, you must add ng at the end of the word. With that, you will have magandang bahay. But if the first word ends with a consonant, like this one, bahay ends with letter Y, you must add the word na after the first word. With that, you will have bahay na maganda. However, there is an exception, and that is letter N. If the first word ends with a letter N, let's take this example. Mayaman or rich in English ends with a letter N. What you do is you replace the letter N with letter NG. And with that, you will have mayamang bata. Now I said letter NG because in Filipino, NG is a letter in the alphabet. Now how about adjectives that are quantitative, or those that describes the number or the amount of nouns? Now for these cases, adjectives must always be placed at the beginning of the noun that they modify. Halimbawa, 3 men is tatlong lalaki. 9 horses is siyam na kabayo. Half gallon is kalahating galon. Several floors is maraming palapag. Few people is kaunting tao. And it could also be ordinal. Second door, pangalawang pinto. Fifth room, panlimang kwarto. As you can see, in all of those, the adjectives were placed before the noun it modifies, and same rules apply when it comes to ligatures. Lastly, there's this prefix that we Filipinos use on adjectives, and that is napaka. You add this if you want to describe someone or something to a great degree. Halimbawa, guapo is handsome, while napakagwapo is very handsome. Luma is old, while napakaluma is very old. Matangkad is tall, And this one, you have to remove the ma. Napakatangkad is very tall. By the way, this applies to all adjectives that starts with ma. Another example, mabuti. Again, it starts with ma. Mabuti is kind, while napakabuti is very kind. Well, there you have it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer them. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Sa susunod ulit, maraming salamat.